morning everybody, Pope Binary here, and today I've just got a quick little win I want to share with you. It was a very clean win and I couldn't help but share it with you guys. If you have any recommendations for future videos, make sure to drop them in the comment section, and please, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. So before we jump in, here's the quote of the day. If you make a mistake, deal with the mistake, don't compound it. That's from Michael Steinhardt. So here's a quick little win. Hey everyone, for this first clean trade example, this is just, one of those trades I could not help but pass up. Alright, so I'm going to tell you right now, I'm on an hourly put right now, which means basically for the next hour, starting at this candle right here, I said the market's going to fall away. We're 10 minutes away from expiration, but after seeing this nice move down, I sincerely doubt we're going to come back up and retest my strike price. First orders of business, my strike price is the 112.18 value, which is about right here. This horizontal line I'm highlighting. So I just said the market, we're going to stay below this value. I'm just going to walk you guys why I think this is such a clean trade. So the first thing I want to notice is today, we've been kind of ranging all day. Let me go ahead and draw in the lower range boundary, which is about right. I'm going to go ahead and move it up to the lower wick here, as we can see here. I'm just trying to show y'all that we're in a range, right? The market really hasn't been trending. It can't seem to break this value, and it can't seem to break this lower value. As we can see, we got a failed breakout right here. We get another failed breakout right here. We get a retest right here before we move back on up to the upper range boundary. Right here, I really thought we were going to actually break outside the range, but we come back in, and then here is the giveaway. Here is the signal. Okay, so at this point when the market comes back out of the range, right, you need to be watching every single tick of this market, if that makes sense, right? You need to be watching very closely. Turn off the YouTube, turn off your side distractions, watch the market closely, see what it does. Okay, one of two things can happen here. One, the market comes down, retests this line, and you get a huge bullish candle, in which case we have a real trend breaking out, and then you would want to place a call or a bid or whatever you want to say that the market is going to rise. The other thing that can happen is exactly this, which is the market coming back in, and it breaks back inside the range, and then you see the market come back up and retest. This is almost like a third test of the line. We come back up and we get this huge engulfing candle, right? It's not a huge engulfing candle, but it's a bearish engulfing candle. At this point, you still don't enter the trade. See what the market does, because on the next couple candles, the market, that could be a fake out, right? This could be a fake out, and then the bulls would step back in and then take off, right? There's a lot of I know it's sounding like a lot of retests and a lot of fake outs. It's really hard to put to words, but as you guys trade support and resistance, this will become clear. You don't enter after this, you enter after these couple doji candles. Because if the bulls wanted to step back in, there would not be indecision right now. The market would have taken off, if that makes sense, right? And so after you see a bearish candle that breaks back inside the range, followed by a couple dojis. You could also see pin candles here. Just anything showing indecision and rejection. That's your signal to enter the trade, right? And so I was able to hop in at this strike price. I believe I got it for $41, which is a fantastic, in my opinion, great risk reward for an in-the-money contract, right? And as we can see, we're only 5 minutes away from the expiration, and this is going to be a clean win. This is just, in my opinion, textbook support and resistance reactions in a ranging market, right? So I'm going to walk you through one more quick time. Market's ranging. I see the market break outside the range. I'm looking for one of two things. The market to come back down and then bounce off and continue the uptrend, or the market to break back inside, retest, and then get a rejection candle, which is exactly what happened. So that second scenario played out, and so I went ahead and placed a call. And this one, unless I'll cut to it, but otherwise I'm gonna say this one finishes a win. All right, guys, we're about 2 minutes past the expiration here, and as we can see, my contract did end up expiring in the money, or a win, or whatever you want to call it. So I hope you guys were able to learn from this. If you found anything helpful or useful, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I hope to catch you on the next one. Pope Binary out.